Hey guys, this is Lucy with another video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all promotions in Gmail. So all you have to do is log into your Gmail account in your browser. So after that, go and click on this promotions between primary and social in your Gmail. After that, you need to select these squares of all the promotions you want to delete, or you can also select the square at the top left corner of the mail page, and it will select all the promotions in your Gmail. After that, just click on this bean icon and it will delete all the promotions in the promotion tab, and you will see them in this trash. So just select every promotions and click on delete forever, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos, and I'll meet you guys in the next video.